Did Samsung just pull an Apple-style marketing move with the Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen? That's the big question. Many people are frustrated or confused about why Samsung decided to remove Bluetooth and Air actions from the S Pen. At first glance, it might seem like a cost-cutting decision, but what if there's a bigger strategy behind it? Let's take a step back and look at Apple's history. Apple has a habit of making odd design choices that spark endless discussions. Think about the Magic Mouse. It has its charging port at the bottom, which means you can't use it while charging. It's frustrating, right? But despite that, people still buy it, and more importantly, everyone talks about it. This kind of move keeps Apple products in the conversation, making them even more recognizable. Now, let's apply the same logic to Samsung. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a nearly perfect phone. It has a powerful processor, a stunning display, and an improved camera system. Everything about it is polished to a high degree, but there's one small issue. Perfection can sometimes be boring. If a device is too refined, it doesn't spark discussions. A phone that is just great doesn't generate the same level of buzz as a phone with a controversial or unexpected twist. So, what if Samsung deliberately removed Bluetooth from the S Pen to create conversation? Think about it. Samsung likely analyzed user data and realized that very few people were actually using Air actions. If they had to remove something to make the S25 Ultra a trending topic, the S Pen's Bluetooth functionality was an easy target. The majority of users who want this phone will still buy it, even without Bluetooth in the S Pen. But now, the removal itself has turned into a talking point, keeping the S25 Ultra in the spotlight. This move also gives Samsung an opportunity to bring back Bluetooth in a future release. Imagine if Samsung later introduces a new Bluetooth-enabled S Pen for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Suddenly, they've reignited the conversation, keeping the device relevant for an even longer period. It's a strategy Apple has used before, removing a feature, creating controversy, and then bringing it back later, often at an additional cost to consumers. Of course, this is just a theory. We can't say for sure if Samsung intentionally made this decision as a marketing stunt, but it's not out of character. Over the years, Samsung has taken inspiration from Apple in various ways, from software features to product naming strategies. A move like this wouldn't be surprising. At the end of the day, whether it was a strategic decision or just a practical one, the missing Bluetooth feature has made the Galaxy S25 Ultra a hot topic. People are debating whether it was a smart move or a misstep, and that's exactly the kind of attention that keeps a device in the public eye. What do you think? Did Samsung remove Bluetooth on purpose to generate buzz, or was it just a cost-cutting decision? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Can Samsung finally perfect the foldable phone? That's the big question as leaks about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 start to appear. Now that the Galaxy S25 has been released, Samsung fans are turning their attention to what's next. If the latest rumors are true, Samsung could be bringing some of the biggest improvements yet to its foldable lineup. One of the most exciting updates is the display. The crease on foldable screens has always been a major concern, but Samsung might have found a way to nearly eliminate it on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Reports suggest that the crease will be almost gone, meaning users will barely notice it during daily use. While it might still be slightly visible under certain lighting, this could be the biggest step forward in foldable display technology. If Samsung pulls this off, it could set a new standard for foldable smartphones. However, one thing that might not change is screen brightness. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 are both rumored to feature peak brightness levels of 2,600 nits, which is the same as previous models. While that's still one of the brightest displays available, some users were hoping for an upgrade. But Samsung seems to be focusing on other aspects of the user experience instead. One of these improvements could be in audio quality. According to reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have better loudspeakers, delivering clearer and more immersive sound. Performance-wise, Samsung is making sure these foldable phones are more powerful than ever. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are expected to come with 12 GB of RAM as standard. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 will likely offer storage options of 256 GB and 512 GB, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could go up to 1 TB. As for processors, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could use the Exynos 2500 chip, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip. These upgrades mean faster performance, better multitasking, and overall smoother experience. Durability is another key area of improvement. Samsung is reportedly introducing a more refined hinge design, making the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 even more durable. A smoother hinge will not only improve the feel of opening and closing the device, but also make it more resistant to wear over time. However, one area that might not see much improvement is battery capacity. According to leaks, neither phone will get a bigger battery, which might be disappointing for users who are hoping for longer battery life. But there is some good news. Samsung could be increasing charging speeds. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might support 45-watt fast charging, meaning you'll be able to power up your device more quickly. Both models are also rumored to have larger vapor chamber cooling systems, which would help keep temperatures lower during intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. When it comes to cameras, Samsung might be making a big change. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, a significant upgrade from previous models. The other cameras are expected to have the same specifications as last year. Is Google finally delivering the ultimate battery upgrade for its budget-friendly Pixel lineup? The upcoming Pixel 9a is rumored to launch on March 19, with sales beginning on March 26. It is expected to stick to the winning formula of previous models, offering great value with a refined design, the latest Tensor chipset, and an improved overall experience. But the biggest question remains, how much better will the battery life be? Leaks suggest that the Pixel 9a will feature a massive 5,100 mAh battery. This is a huge step up from the Pixel 7a and Pixel 8a, which had batteries of 4,385 mAh and 4,492 mAh respectively. Even the standard Pixel 9 has a smaller 4,700 mAh battery. The only current generation Pixel with a similar capacity is the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which comes with a 5,060 mAh battery. If these rumors are accurate, the Pixel 9a might set a new benchmark for battery life in Google's lineup. What makes this potential upgrade even more exciting is the possibility of new battery technology. In recent years, phone manufacturers like OnePlus, Vivo, and Honor have adopted lithium silicon battery technology, which allows for greater energy density without increasing the size. If Google is experimenting with similar advancements, the Pixel 9a could achieve longer battery life without making the phone significantly thicker or heavier. While it's not confirmed whether Google will use this technology, the possibility alone makes the Pixel 9a even more interesting. Battery life, however, is influenced by more than just battery size. The efficiency of the processor also plays a crucial role. The Pixel 9a is expected to come with Google's latest Tensor G4 chipset, which could bring improved power management. If the chipset optimizes battery usage well, the Pixel 9a could last even longer on a single charge. This combination of a larger battery and a more efficient processor could give users an all-day experience without worrying about running out of power. But while the battery capacity is getting a major boost, charging speeds might remain unchanged. Reports suggest that the Pixel 9a will retain the same 18-watt wired charging and 7.5-watt wireless charging as previous models. For a phone with a 5,100 mAh battery, that means a full charge could take close to 2 hours. For comparison, the Pixel 8 it takes approximately 1 hour and 46 minutes to charge fully, while the Pixel 7 requires about 2 hours. Faster charging speeds would have been a welcome upgrade, especially considering that many competitors now offer significantly higher charging rates. However, Google seems to be sticking with its standard charging speeds for the Pixel 9a. Despite the slow charging, the real highlight is the potential for extended battery life. A larger battery means fewer worries about needing a charger throughout the day. If Google optimizes the software well, the Pixel 9a could outperform other phones in its category when it comes to endurance. This makes it an attractive option for those who prioritize